Welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have give you some job update with you. Before that, please like this video, share this video with your friend, and please subscribe my channel. And if and join my Telegram group. This link I will give you in description box. You join Telegram group link because I have provide all job update in Telegram. So please join it. I have show our first job. Our first job from Unisys. Unisys is hiring for associate application development engineer. And location is Bangalore, Karnataka. And the required job ID is this and full time. This is full time opportunity for fresher. And basically work is you can see here. You must have knowledge of DevOps and you must have knowledge. You have completed your bachelor degree and you have experience 2 year of experience. Then you have apply on it. How to apply this job? You click here apply now and you fill the detail. Okay, our next job is Python and a Spark developer, and the location is Hyderabad, Secunderabad, Pune, Gurugram, and salary not disclosed here, and experience need 0 to 2 year of experience also. And this is your job highlight, and a skill you have required like Python, Spark, Hadoop, and SQL, and education you have completed your BTech, and this is your job description. You must have knowledge in SQL, PL a strong SQL and data analysis skill. You must have knowledge, good pandas and numpy knowledge. And how to apply the job? You click here apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Mumbai location, and experience need is 0 to 3 year of experience you must have need. And this is your job description. And how to apply this job? You click here apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is SQL developer. This is hiring for 0 to 2 year of experience, and the location is Hyderabad and Secunderabad. And a skill required, you must knowledge SQL queries, creating database figure, design database tables, experience in SQL Server on SQL or query. You must hands-on experience in sys and SAS package. And you key a skill like SQL, sys, SAS, good knowledge of in Excel also. How to apply this job? You have click here apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is junior data engineer. This is hiring for Hyderabad, Secunderabad location, and salary is 2 LPA to 2.5 LPA per annum. And the location is, I am already tell you like Hyderabad, Secunderabad, and the role is data engineer and industry is software coder. And how to apply this job? You have click here apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is data analyst for Bangalore location, and experience is 0 to 2 year of experience in must have need, and salary is 1.5 LPA to 3 LPA per year, and your shift is and your shift time is 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. and this is your role and responsibility. And uh, and your experience needs 0 to 2 year of experience, and a skill is required like SQL, Python programming, VLOOKUP, Excel. And how to apply the job? You have click here apply and you fill the detail. Our next job is data science test business analyst, science and data analyst role for Rohtak, Dehradun, Kanpur, Gurugram, Bangalore, Delhi, NCR location. And experience need 0 to 1 year of experience you must have need, and salary is 1.5 LPA to 2.5 LPA per year. And salary and skill required like you must have fresher and you have SQL, high Python. And how to apply the job? You have click here apply now and you fill the detail. Our next job is associate software engineer for location, and this is your uh, you have a job description and all, and your responsibility is this, and you can see here, and minimum requirement, you have must completed your bachelor degree in computer science or related field. You must have 1 year of software development experience, solid communication and verbal written. Must you have knowledge in core Java, and a skill required like a Spring Boot, a Spring Data, Spring big based open site, Kubuntu, Docker, knowledge of SQL language like TSQL, PSQL, and PLPGSQL, and PostgreSQL also, and how to fill this form, and if you are interested, then how to submit this form, then you have simply click apply now, and you fill the detail, and I have provided all job link in description box. Please check it and apply accordingly. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Thank you everyone.